Good morning, everybody. This is Glenn and I from our new Link Outdoor Lighting showroom. Wonderful place in here, Glenn.
It looks good. You did a great job.
It does look good. We all did a great job. It does, guys. Hey, we encourage everybody who's local to come in and check out our new place. It's great.
It's great.
It is. I mean, it's wide open, much more room, a lot more product, and we got a lot more product coming, everyone.
We got some new stuff.
Oh, we got some new stuff. This is exciting. This has been in the works for a while.
Guys, this is Lumien, and we're pretty proud of it. I know they're pretty proud of it. It's a flush mount, walkways, driveways, decks, you name it.
Mm-hmm.
There's a fixture, or some fixtures like this similar on the market that take a bi-pin. This one, Teddy, I know you'll get a close-up. You can actually see this one has a light module inside, a 5.5 watt light module blasting straight out, and it comes with a spread lens on it as well. So not only are we shooting straight out, but it's got a spread lens.
Mm-hmm.
This 3000 or 2700 solid brass.
Heavy. 3.5 pounds.
Yeah.
We went that back and had to weigh this thing.
Right.
Very heavy.
Yep.
3.5 pounds.
Yep. Comes with the brass nipple, so if you wanted to put it on a stake, you can. But 2 holes to screw it down, 4 bolts, 4 screws, takes the lid off, screw it down, put the lid back on. The module unscrews, so if something should ever happen,
10-year warranty on that module.
lifetime on the
fixture.
But if it ever did fail, 4 screws, unscrew the module, screw a new module in, no messing with the wires or your connections. Easy.
And Glenn, that's under $110.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
Integrated with a 5.5 watt.
5.5 with 10-year warranty.
Solid brass. Guys, we got them in stock. We just got them. We've been waiting for them. We're excited about it. If you see the side profile, you can see it's got a little bit of cover to it, preventing glare. Everything about this design is nice. We love it. So again, we got them in stock. If you have questions, call us. If you need them, you want them,
We got them.
we got them.
We got them.
I like it. So who would they call first?
We're going to call us first.
Call us first. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.